Good morning and greetings from Carmel School, Bhadra. Honorable Principal, Sister Vinita, School Manager, Sister Russell, the Primary in charge, Sister Rubina, our Finance in charge, Sister Liza, and my colleagues. Most precious treasure of our country. You will be the future leaders, scientists, doctors, engineers, teachers. Everybody expects from you to bring about radical transformations in the country and also in the world by devising means for development and prosperity for all human beings. By shunning any of the discrimination in the name of caste, color, and creed. Dear young men and women, don't underestimate your energy and power just because you are small kids. The success is not related with age. You will have to start work right now as your destination is full of travels and seemingly tougher than it. For that, the first and foremost duty of yours is to do the work whatsoever is assigned on you by your teachers, parents, and society. At present, your work is getting education. Your focus must be in all on your studies. Your young sons and daughters, Children's Day is symbolic. All days belongs to you. Thank you.
teacher and a student in a school is similar to that of a grain and a rain from the cloud. All the time the rain may not be gentle, sometimes harsh. It is up to the grain to take things forward, to nurture as a fertile plant. No doubt sometimes we are strict, sometimes we are rude, but remember that you are very special to us. We always seek various creative ways to teach you something from anything. Today, being your day, we will play your role and make you understand the importance of schooling. So put your hands together for the forthcoming skit.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, madam. God bless you.
This is the way to speak to the give respect to the teachers. Okay, hello, teacher, thanks. Together say good morning, madam. God bless you.
Good morning, madam. God bless you.
Very good. Sit down. Nice to meet you, madam. Okay. How are you all?
Fine, madam.
Fine. Only fine. Or very fine.
Very fine.
Very fine. Very good. Now, respond your roles. Okay? Chulbuli. Jinda madam. Ram Pyari. Raga madam. Dholu.
आयो मैम
Bablu.
नहीं आया मैम
Patlu.
मैम नया बच्चा है मैम नया बच्चा
You know him?
यस
Okay.
I also know him I also
Okay, very good. You know that, but he will give his own introduction.
मैडम he is very good in cricket
Okay, very good. Okay, you are the new one, no?
Yes.
Okay, stand up and give your introduction to your friends. Sit down, please.
I also have a-
Don't behave like this. He will give himself his introduction, no? Okay, just give your, what's your name?
MP ma'am.
MP, what is it?
Manoj Pichkari ma'am.
Oh, Manoj Pichkari. Okay, okay. Then where are you from?
MP ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh.
No ma'am. Manipal.
Okay, then why you are here?
Ma'am. MP ma'am.
Again MP.
Mobile.
Mobile.
No ma'am. Money problem ma'am.
Then what about your performance?
MP ma'am.
MP. But what?
माल प्रैक्टिस
No, no, no. This is next. You don't speak like this, huh? Okay, he will say that. What is
Mind blowing performance ma'am.
Okay, mind blowing. Okay, you are the very good, no? Very intelligent. Okay, sit down.
Active.
Okay.
It is my MP ma'am.
This is the first period, no? In the first period, you are not allowed to go there. Okay.
It is my MP.
वाटर मैम प्लीज
Please. Okay. Then,
My pleasure ma'am.
but you, those are old, no? You just cooperative. He's behaving like this, but after some days you will change, no?
Okay.
Just be cooperative. You will teach him. What is our county school curriculum, no? Classroom based, no?
Yeah, we will ask you that. मैडम एमपी
Again, MP.
मैडम कैन पढ़े
नहीं, this is I give that teacher.
Ma'am BP ma'am. BP.
What is this?
Values पढ़ेंगे madam.
Yes, very good. This values, you know. In the last class, what I taught you? Homework given. Homework given. Yes. And you did? No. No. But no, I remember that. I told that I will take the test.
Yes,
Because
yes,
now
yes,
exam
ma'am,
time,
yes.
no? Yes, you studied everybody.
I was not going to ma'am. You know.
You knew, no, but I just.
but tomorrow you will
See, hereafter, no, whenever you will not you are of this classroom, no, you just ask your friends.
Yes ma'am.
What that in the class teacher taught and what is that teacher they taught, you just remember and call that friends. Recall.
मैडम I have given my phone number to him
Okay, very good. You are very good. No, I know that you are very good. Yes. Then just I will today I will take the oral test. No, this oral no only few questions I will ask you. Okay. Then what do you mean by self-division?
मैडम shell is divided into many parts and that is called the cell
No,
division
no, no, many parts. No, it's not many parts.
Madam, maybe it is battery. Battery cell. One cell is black color. But
No, this is not. This is cell division. It is a biological process. CLL. How you are growing? Your body size is growing.
Madam,
Yes.
that is 4 part one is S another A
Yes,
and I
this
that is
no,
cell
no, no, this division. 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 That means one cell divides into two cells. Okay. Then like this, again these two cells will divide into four cells. Like this, our means inside our body, this all this, because we are multicellular, no? Our body is made up of many cells. So how it produces? This way it is produced. Understood, no? Very good. I know that you are very good students. So see, hereafter if any doubt, no, give like this answer. If any doubt, no, you just ask me whenever I am free. You will come and ask me and clear your doubts. Okay? Okay, remedial. Yes, there also you can join, and whenever I am free in the staff room and I am sitting means I am just because I have no class, you can come and you are free and you will take the permission of the teacher. Another class who is there, that you will take the permission and come to me and ask your doubts. Okay? Very good.
You are very good, madam.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Okay, just all of you stand up. Okay? Thank you, madam.
God bless you.
Oh, madam, very good.
Is over. The children have reached college, and their college life begins.
Good morning, sir. God bless you.
Good morning, sit down. Today I will explain you the subject hybrid lesson. What do you mean by hybrid lesson? When two different atomic orbitals mix, then it forms hybrid orbitals. The phenomenon.
Sir, what is the orbital?
Orbital?
Yes, sir.
It is a question for this level in college.
Sir, I forgot.
What happened? Something. So this is in a lower level class. So you can sort it. Okay, let it do. So there are three types of hybridization. So one is sp1, sp2, and last one is sp3. Here, so S and P. These two are two different atomic orbitals.
What is atom?
Again, you are asking like that. This is in standard 6-7 class. So you can search or see the lower class book, then you can understand. Okay?
Sure, I also have a problem, sir. Sir, I don't know what is electron.
Same question. He is asking same questions. You can follow the lower class book. So now you are in college level. You are asking that part.
Excuse me, sir.
What happened?
Sir, this my concept is not clear, sir.
Sir, we try to understand this.
So you can use your book. From your book, that is given.
You are asking our concept is not clear, but is not answering. But when you are asking in our school time, our teachers how nicely they are taking care, nicely they are explaining, they are taking great care. Here we are missing our
Let's do it. We will go and we will meet you up.
We have to meet our teacher.
this. What then what you have to do?
I think we should go and meet your school teacher, sir.
Why not this Sunday?
Yes, that will be
Yes.
Okay, then this Sunday we go and meet our teacher. Okay? Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Can I come in, madam? Yes. Oh, good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Okay, good morning. How are you all?
Hi.
Fine. We have missing you a lot. Missing? Yes. Why in the college? Why you are missing to us?
But we find it tremendous difference between your teaching process and the college teaching process.
Okay, and
Madam, how many times we asked you, you are clearing our doubts, you are taking a great care.
okay,
But
listen. You have got MP, no?
yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Not Pichkari wala.
Okay. How are you now?
I changed a lot, ma'am. We are now persuading close to science in one same college.
Okay.
We all remember you. We also have not forgotten you. We all like you. We all love you all.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
This is our pleasure.
But after going into the college, we realized that our school days are the golden days for us, and the school teachers are the most important teachers in our life.
As you are giving the remedial classes, but the remedial classes absent and neglected in college.
Okay, this is circumstances different. Now that this is school and there.
Cannot expect
You
everything.
have to adjust with that.
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
So God bless you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all the best. God bless you.